Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today's video is actually inspired by one of you guys from the comment section. A subscriber asked me which is better for Sony APS-C, the Sirui 33mm f1.2 or the Sigma 30mm f1.4. And honestly, this is a very good comparison because both lenses are affordable, both are great for low light, and both can give you a cinematic blurry background look without spending full frame money. So in this video, we're gonna compare the image quality, the autofocus, low light performance, background blur, video autofocus, size and handling, and of course, which one is actually better for your Sony camera in 2026. Today, I'm using the Sony a7R III for the camera setup and the real-world testing, not just specs on paper. And if you're into honest camera reviews and the real-world gear test, make sure to subscribe because I upload new photography and filmmaking content every week. First, let's talk about the build quality. The Sigma 30mm f1.4 has that classic Sigma look, very solid, clean design, and honestly, it still feels premium even in 2026. Meanwhile, the Sirui 33mm f1.2 feels more cinematic and more manual lens inspired in terms of design. It actually looks more expensive than this price. The biggest difference here is the aperture. The Sirui is f1.2 while the Sigma is f1.4. Now on paper that may not sound huge, but in the real world use, the Sirui actually gives slightly stronger subject separation and softer cinematic background, especially during the night shots. Now, for handling, the Sigma 30mm is lighter and easier for everyday use. If you are doing vlogging, casual photography, travel content, or handheld shooting, the Sigma feels very balanced. The Sirui is lighter, bigger, and heavier but still very manageable on the APS-C body. For gimbal use, honestly both are usable, but I think the Sigma feels easier for long shooting session. Now, this is where things get interesting. The Sigma 30mm f1.4 still has one of the best autofocus system for APS-C Sony lenses. IOAF works great, tracking is reliable, and for video autofocus is very smooth and dependable. The Sirui surprised me though. It's actually good, but compared by side, the Sigma is still more confident and fast, especially for low light, fast movement, and continuous tracking. If autofocus is your top priority, Sigma wins here, especially for vloggers. Now let's talk about the image quality. Both lenses are sharp, both they have different personalities. The Sigma gives you punchier contrast, slighter cleaner sharpness, and more modern look. The Sirui gives you softer cinematic rendering, smoother background blur, and honestly a full frame vibe, especially wide open at f1.2. For portraits, the Sirui looks beautiful, skin tones feel softer and more organic. But for commercial sharpness and consistency, the Sigma still dominates. For the low light, this is where the Sirui becomes very impressive. That f1.2 aperture really helps at night. You can keep your ISO lower and get cleaner footage in the dark scene. For street photography, cinematic videos, coffee shop shots, and night b-roll, the Sirui looks amazing. But the Sigma still perform excellent too. Honestly, the difference is not night and day, but yes, the Sirui does give you slightly more light and stronger background blur. So, which one should you buy? If you are a vlogger, hybrid shooter, beginner creator, or someone who wants reliable autofocus, I think the Sigma 30mm f1.4 is still the safer and smarter choice. But if you love cinematic visuals, creamy bokeh, artistic portraits, and low-light shooting, the Sirui 33mm f1.4 is honestly super underrated. It gives you a look that feels more expensive than it really is. So, after testing both lenses, here's my honest conclusion. The Sigma 30mm f1.4 is better all-around lens, but the Sirui 33 f1.2 is the more cinematic and more unique lens. And honestly, there's no wrong choice here. It will depends on your shooting style. Comment below which one you would pick for your Sony APS-C camera. And also, let me know what comparison you want next here on the channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.